Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we dive into a common problem that many people face when using the gnu-time command on macOS. The issue lies in understanding what the CPU percentage actually indicates in the output provided by the command. We'll explore a simple command run using the time utility and break down what the numbers and percentages mean. It's essential to grasp this concept to accurately interpret the efficiency of your commands. So let's get started. In the solution, we discovered that on macOS, the %CPU displayed in the time command output represents the percentage of time the software utilized on the CPU during the measure period. This percentage is relative to a single core of the CPU, so 100% signifies full utilization of one core. Keep in mind that modern CPUs have multiple cores, hence percentages exceeding 100% may appear. Remember, lower CPU time doesn't necessarily indicate inefficiency. It's crucial to compare data points to assess efficiency accurately. By monitoring CPU usage, you can identify if your software is CPU-bound or limited by other factors like RAM or I/O, shedding light on potential performance bottlenecks. In summary, understanding the CPU percentage displayed in the time command output on macOS is crucial for evaluating the efficiency of your commands. By interpreting these numbers correctly, you can pinpoint performance bottlenecks and optimize your software for better execution. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.